ActiveCampaign welcome automation. In this video, we're going to cover setting up a welcome automation in ActiveCampaign that sends out an email every day for 30 days. That first email we're going to send is going to have a question, a simple kind of a yes/no type question, very obvious what it is. What we're trying to do here is just get people to start to take action and then also find out something about them. And then the emails that we do send out over time are going to have links to content that's on your site, contents that go elsewhere, and to other offers. So let's dive right in. Inside the ActiveCampaign account, you want to create an automation. I've called it welcome automation. You probably want to start with a trigger that based on subscribing to a list. I'm going to pick a particular list. I'm going to only allow it to run once. And then typically I like to wait 5 minutes just to make sure. Nothing really specific, but if I just put a little wait in there, it's a little bit more natural. And then I'm going to go ahead and send my first email. I'm going to edit this email. Now, there's not much in the way of content here, but you really want to add a lot more. Welcome them, tell them what to expect. Here's where I want to ask a simple question. And for instance, I want to know if they're a man or a woman. It could be something else like, are you diabetic type 1 or type 2? Or are you going to graduate from college this year or next year? That type of stuff. I just want to get some information about the person. So in this case, if somebody does this, are you a woman? Click here. I want to send them to somewhere on my site. Now, I'm completely making this up, but notice I'm going to put like question mark woman, a very specific URL. And then when they click on that link, I want to tag them. And in this case, I'm going to say they're a woman. Now, same thing down here. They're going to go to a different link. And I'm going to tag them as a man. So that way, as soon as they've gone through here, I'm getting some information. Now, if I don't get this information, I can't really use it in the future. So you might consider resending this if they don't have that tag. I'm not going to do that in this case, but that is one thing to consider. To get that information, you could wait a day, then check, are they a man or are they a woman? If neither, then resend that email. So actually, it doesn't look like I put that email in there, so let's do that again. So we know that there's the links that are in there. And then we want to wait a day. And we're going to send the second email out. Now, I'm not going to add 30 emails, just 3 to get started to show you concept. And then I would typically, in this automation, though it does stop automatically, I could also install a goal here. If for some reason, for instance, they become a customer, I want to take them out of this automation. I can do all of that if I want. But for what we're trying to accomplish, this is what you need to have happen. Get them into this automation, wait a small amount of time, send that first email, ask a question, are they this or that? And then tag them as such. You could, if you wanted, check to see if they actually are one of those two options. If not, resend the email. Wait a day, send the next email, wait a day, send the next email, and repeat all the way up to 30 days. That's how you can create a welcome automation in ActiveCampaign.